Welcome to Word Work, where we put words to work, word by word. In this video, you will learn some commonly used words. You will see that learning to read and write is easy if you follow these steps. Look at the shape of each word. Listen how to say each word. Learn how to spell each word. Let's get started. Horse, horse. Birds, birds. Problem, problem. Complete, complete. Room, room. To learn the sounds of the letters in the alphabet, click the link in the description for my alphabet videos. Now let's use each word in a sentence. The horse ran across the field. The horse ran across the field. I love to watch horse racing.